Krishna everybody. Almost happy Radhashtami. It's in a week and it's really exciting. So we have 3 tasks and a quiz today. But before that, let's talk a little bit about Radharani. So we all know that Krishna is known as Madan Mohan, the attractor of Cupid. But Srimati Radharani is known as Madan Mohan Mohini, the attractor of Cupid. Srimati Radharani attracts Krishna by her devotion. And also today we're going to be talking a little bit about her tilak, her ornaments, because they're always so beautiful. So Radharani's eternal tilak and ornaments. Srimati Radharani's tilak marking is named Samarayanta. Her jeweled necklace is named Harimohana. Her jeweled earrings are named Rokana. The pearl decorating her nose is named Pravakari. Her locket, which contains the picture of Krishna, is named Madana. Her Samantaka jewel is also known as Sankachuda Siromani. Radharani's Samantaka jewel was taken from the demon Sakachuda after he was slain by Krishna, who presented it to Balram. Later, Balram presented it to Radharani as a gift. And so finally to the task. So this week for Radharani we're going to be drawing a present for Radharani, which is like drawing or making, so we all know that Radharani always has a serving mood. She always wants to serve Krishna. She always is ready to serve Krishna. So we could draw something that Radharani could use to serve Krishna, like a chamar, a peacock feather fan, a garland, something that she can serve Krishna with. So that's one of the tasks. And one of the other tasks is so we're gonna learn 25 qualities of Radharani, like how she's expert in enjoying, and basically 25 qualities of Radharani. And then the last task, the second last, is like the symbols on Radharani's lotus hands. So these are only some of the symbols. So some of the symbols on Radharani's left hand is disc, elephant, fan, horse, tree, cow, flag, and many others. And some of the symbols on Radharani's right hand is conch, palace, sword, whisk, bow, drum, and many others. So, and then we are going to be having a quiz related to Radharani. So we're going to be posting a link for the quiz on this video only. Hare Krishna. Hope you enjoy doing the task for Radharani, and Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.
Today we are going to learn some of the transcendental qualities of Srimati Radharani. Actually, there are 25 transcendental qualities, but we'll only read few of them. Madhur.
She is very sweet.
Nava Pyaya.
She is always freshly youthful.
Chala Apanga.
Her eyes are always restless.
Ujjwala Smita.
She smiles brightly.
Charu Saubhagya Rekha Adhya.
She has beautiful auspicious lines.
Gandha.
She makes Krishna happy with her bodily aroma.
Sangita.
She is expert in singing.
Ramya Bak.
Her speech is charming.
Narma Pandita.
She is expert in joking and speaking pleasantly.
Vinita.
She is very humble and meek.
Karunapurna.
She is always full of mercy.
Vidagdha.
She is cunning.
Patava Anvita.
She is expert in executing her duties.
Lajja Sheila.
She is shy.
Su Maryada.
She is always respectful.
Dhairya.
She is always calm.
Gambhirya Shalini.
She is always grave.
Parama Utkarsha.
She is expert in enjoying.
Mahabhava Paramotkarshu.
She is situated at the topmost level of ecstatic love.
Gokula Prema Vasatiya.
She is a reservoir of loving affairs in Gokula.
Jagat Shreni Lasad Yashyaha.
She can give shelter to all kinds of devotees.
Guru Arpita Guru Sneha.
She is always affectionate to superiors and inferiors.
Sakhi Pranavita Vasha.
She is submissive to the love of her friends.
Krishna Priyavali Mukhya.
She is the chief gopi.
Santa Tasha Rava Keshava.
She possesses unlimited transcendental qualities, just as Lord Krishna does.
She is
Is
Queen
the Queen
of
of
Vrindavan.
Vrindavan.
Happy Radhashtami.
Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.
Shyam.